Tall guy?
Oh man, you know I'm sitting here having me some fun. I had my little coffee and my sandwich. You know, sitting out here on Grove Street at the Starbucks. Just it just does something for me. I'm sitting here. I don't have a clue as to how this thing here is going to work and how I'm working it out, but I just wanted to share some Saturday thoughts. You know, I'm listening to some music, the stuff that I'm playing tomorrow on my show. You got to tune in. You know, if you got a friend or somebody, invite them. You know, I got Hunter Hayes going to be down with me, Eric Livesey, Sir Charles, talking that holistic stuff. Hey, look, it works. You know, it's all holistic as far as I'm concerned. Did I mention I'm playing some of that ridiculously nasty, funky, make your arm wet and squishy, original 70s music stuff? Have I made myself clear? I mean, it's crazy like that. I'm sitting here I'm in another little space. But I get a chance tomorrow morning to be listening to some of this stuff. So if you get a minute, why don't you listen in? And don't forget, I'm asking, consider writing one thing, just not a whole bunch, just one thing. And say, let's listen to this crazy old bird up in here. That works. But you know something? It's fun. And I'm having the most fun doing what I do. You know something? Again, I don't want to sound redundant, but be happy today. Be happy any day you get a moment to think about it because it's your choice. It's mine. I choose to be happy. And I'm created to break you down for something. I ain't trying to figure it out. I'm just living it. I'm working it out. You know, he solved some problems. He's been solving a whole bunch of mine. And he solved some of the incredible problems. He solved the most of them. He solved some problems I didn't even know I had. It is a revelation for you. Anyway, if you get a minute tomorrow out in the morning from 10 a.m. till 4 p.m., tune in at www.wmscradio.com. We're right up here at Montclair State University, kicking it like that. Yeah, it's what I do. Yeah. Good day. Hello. You hear me? I get speechless when it comes to I don't kind of figure nothing out. I'm just doing what I do. And that's what I do. So, if you got a minute, join me. How about that? Love you guys. Peace.
Ice tall skim milk with mocha?
It'll work.